Bismillah. My name is Abdirisaq Moh'ed Farah. I'm one of the students learning Master of Project Management at Open University in Malaysia, but facilitated and sponsored by SIMAD University here in Mogadishu. I'm expressing my gratitude to the Dean of the Faculty, Mr. Yunus. I'm also thanking to our dear facilitator, Dr. Abdulkadir Noor Jibril. I'm also expressing my strong gratitude to all my classmates, especially the class management, who just let us learn more about these subjects and made and facilitated the all lessons and all materials we wanted to find, as they just set up the WhatsApp. So I'm going to present today one of my assignments on project quality management. The assignment will focus on quality improvement. So let me continue with this executive summary of my assignment. This is a coursework assignment required by Center for Postgraduate Studies, SIMAD University, especially quality management. The purpose of this assignment is to enable students to enhance their work or their knowledge on the project quality management. Let's start my project background. Before just going deeply into my project and expressing it, let me just give you some overview about the project. This project is just designated to rehabilitate, repair about 6 or 7 canals for local farmers in southern Somali town of Afgoye, where the canals were destroyed during the civil wars and recent floods. The project is designated to rehabilitate the canals in several villages in southern Somalia town of Afgoye. The organization conducting the project is Al Amin Multipurpose Farmers Corporation. These 6 refereeing villages with 36,750 meters square of local farms will make use of the canals. The 587 laborers will work on canal rehabilitation activities. Returnees, IDBs, local farmers, and many of the residents will be workers of the project. In this way, I mean, this our company, which is conducting the project, will just select the labor, the manual workers working or conducting such activities of the project from the local IDBs, from the youth in the village, from the youth in the town who are unemployed right now, in order to let them to make use of the project. The workers will also be divided into groups of 22 people under one foreman, and required 25 group of 22 persons and 25 foremen who will work for an average of 1 month and 25 days. So let's go deeply into the subject. We were going to talk about the quality in project management. What's quality in project management, if you just? Then before just reading the lines in my presentation, let me give you an overview about what's all about the quality in project management. Quality management is really continuous process that starts and ends with the project. For example, when you're going to initiate the project, you have to think about how you could have a very good project with good quality that can attract the customers, that can attract the stakeholders, and that can let the beneficiaries be satisfied even. It's about preventing and avoiding, then measuring and fixing poor quality outputs. It's part of every project management process from the moment the project is initiated to the final steps in the project closure phase. So, project quality management is the process through which quality is managed and maintained throughout the project. What's exactly mean by quality is grateful to what the customer or a stakeholder needs from the project, and therefore can be different on a per project basis. Modern quality management and project management are corresponding. They're just interrelated to each other. They both highlight customer satisfaction, and the underlying perception is that quality leads to customer pleasure or happiness. Let's go down to the quality improvement here. We have already talked about the quality in project management, and then we're going to talk about the quality improvement in the project management. So its overview is going to be like this. Quality improvement is a systematic and structured means or method of evaluating the performance of a system or activity in an areas. It's always done group or a team within or outside the organization or the company. Then successful quality improvement depends on collecting routine data of activities and analyzing it properly. So here we said quality improvement is a structured approach to evaluating the performance of system in which areas of activities in the project. Quality improvement is ongoing activity of planning, acting, monitoring. Then we can shortly say plan, do, check, and act. Quality improvement starts initial activities or a start of every project and continues to the final end of the project closure, as we have already mentioned. So let's move to more explanations. In our project-wise then, in our project-wise of rehabilitating canals, quality improvement helps to increase efficiency and meet customer, which are the local farmers and the stakeholders' needs. The primary aim of quality improvement in our project or assurance in our project is to improve results, good results. In this environment then, quality improvement can be accounted for a tool identifying issues, implementing, monitoring, in a bid to provide corrective action by attaining final objectives of the project successfully. Let's come to importance benefits of quality improvement. You know, to every project or company, quality improvement enables good end of activities at their disposals. In a small or wide scale, quality improvement will help company or the project stay ahead at many competition areas, or in other words, come up with neat looking ending that can satisfy customers or stakeholders. So in our project-wise, the canal repairing and rehabilitation quality improvement is so invaluable and significant for our activities, so as to attain smooth outcomes, achieve project goals. Quality improvements will also be the only wheel which will drive us to come up with better project reports to satisfy the clients and the customers, even the partners. By the end of the day, this will help us then to have well repaired, rehabilitated canals that will attract or grab the attention or the eyes of the donors, stakeholders, customers, and even beneficiaries, which will enjoy getting adequate and clean water for their farms, and will come from the river during rainy and non-rainy seasons. If we just do good quality improvement in our project activities, the beneficiaries will just find or get adequate and clean water from the river during the rainy or non-rainy seasons, because we have done a good job in our project activities, and this will let them produce more crops, different kind of foods, homegrown vegetables and fruits. Then they will also continue harvesting during this seasonal or rainy season or non-rainy seasons. It will also, this activity, the importance and the benefits of the good quality improvement will be after we repair the 6 canals for some local farmers when they produce homegrown vegetables and fruits. This will also play a significant role in getting lower price in the main markets of rural and urban areas in South and Central Somalia. Project quality improvement will also be on the wheel. This I've already done. Reasons for quality improvement. The main reason of quality improvement of every company and project is to improve outcomes. Regarding to Al-Amin consultation project, the main purpose and objectives of our quality improvement is to carry out good activities and digging, excavating canals destroyed during the civil wars, and to bring more adequate water to the local farmers in Afgoye town and its environs, no matter how far or close they are to the Shabelle River. The primary reason for quality enhancement is to ensure that errors are minimized and consumer marketability and and consumer satisfaction is improved, which will boost product marketability and acceptance. Aside from improved goods and services, more detailed procedures as a result of quality enhancement will increase the performance in terms of time, use, and defect reduction. Reasons for quality improvement also is to come up with final project and which was achieved by its initially prepared goals. So in our project, our goal was to repair the 6 of 7 canals for the local farmers in order to develop their harvesting systems. Challenges of quality improvement. Common challenges of quality improvement include as follows then: persuading others that there is a problem, persuade citizens that alternative chosen is the best one, establishing proper data collection and reporting system, excessive expectations and a sense of projectness, the background history and capabilities of the organization, tribalism and lack of employee participation, using combination of carrots and sticks to elicit dedication by reward and possible penalties, ensuring long-term viability and, of course, leadership. Okay, the quality improvement methodology we have used is as follows. During our project activities, we have used a data-driven approach to reduce the effects and improve canal rehabilitation activities, a systematic process of conducting pre-planned activities of rehabilitating the canals without halting smooth operations, to carry out continuous quality improvement by evaluating day-to-day activities in order to attain final objectives of the project, a systematic process of finding and getting rid of constraints. I'm ending all about my presentation here. Again thanking to my classmates, class headmasters, class managers. I'm also thanking to my facilitator of this project here, Mr. Abdirisaq. I'm also thanking to Dr. Yunus. Thank you all.